Yo, what up, Flight?
What up?
What's up, Flight? I'm back, nigga. I'm back, bitch. Fucking bitch.
Oh, this fucking bum ass fucking kid, bro.
Fucking bitch.
Bum ass kid, bro.
Double long neck, bitch. Double long neck, you dumb bitch. Double long neck, bitch. I'll beat the fuck out of you, dumb bitch.
An hour, bro.
Stupid bitch. Fucking Snaggy. Fucking White. Fucking Mario. What the fuck, bitch? Explain to me. Fucking little kid, too, nigga. Fuck you. Fuck you, Mario. Fuck you, Snaggy. Fuck you, White. She's dog.
Waited an hour.
Pussy ass, shut up, bitch. Fuck up, you bum ass one.
Fuck up, stop screaming a fucking mic.
Bitch. Yo, fuck up, you bum bitch. Stop the bomb, bitch. Shut ass nigga.
Too easy. What are y'all doing?
Oh my god, I got stuck. Shut up, bitch. Fight, you long neck, bitch. Drop a long neck, bitch. And headlock, you long neck, fucking bitch. I'll beat the fuck out of you, nigga.
Same day, same fucking jokes.
Give me. Shut up, bitch. Holy shit.
He off. Lucky.
Shut up, bitch. I said bitch. Guard up, bitch. Guard up, bitch. Pussy ass nigga, guard up. Guard up, bitch. Fuck you, Fly. Fuck you, Fly. Bitch. Dumbass nigga. You a bitch, Fly.
Fuck up.
What
Eat
you
this
doing?
gun. Get off me. Get in the weight room.
Shut up, bitch. Put that shit back up. Put it back up. Yeah, bitch. Fuck you, Mario. You fucking Mario. Fuck you, Mario.
Nice.
The fuck are you doing, bitch? Good block. Good defense. Yeah. Yeah, bitch. Oh my god.
Good shit, Snaggy.
Fuck you, Snaggy. Fuck you, Fight. Long neck fucking bitch. Fucking ass long neck bitch. I'll be the fuck out of you, bomb bitch. I'm coming, bitch.
Get your handles up. Watch
Fucking
do my fucking dance.
Stop reaching you, bomb bitch. Let me do my thing and drop the bitch ass off, you fucking bitch. Fucking Fight. Dumbass nigga. Holy shit. You made that song just to get no. Shut up, bitch. Fucking bitch. Shut up, bitch.
I waited an hour, bro. Oh my god.
Shut up, bitch. Shut up, you bomb bitch. Shut up, you bomb bitch. Shut up, you bomb bitch. Shut up, you long neck. Fuck out of you, nigga. Pussy ass nigga. Fucking Flight. Bitch. What you doing, bitch? Yeah, shut up, bitch.
Where you going?
Nigga.
Eat that three.
Shit. Hey, we're gonna shut up, bitch. Fuck me the fuck up, bitch. Here. Oh yeah. Fucking Flight. Dumbass nigga flying on me. Oh.
Stop left and right. They took it out the game for a reason, bitch.
Hey, dumbass nigga. Make that shit. Stop up, bitch. Stop up, you dumb bitch. Fucking Mario. Fucking Snaggy. Bitch. Pussy ass nigga. You's a bitch. Fuck you, Flight. Long neck fucking bitch.
Hop off my fucking nuts. Fucking school threats.
Get your head off, bitch. Fucking Mario. Yeah, bitch, you cops, you bomb bitch ass nigga.
Stop jumping. Corner like a prostitute, motherfucker. Irish, green. Stop jumping. Nice. Yes, sir.
Just hit it, Jerry. Shut up. I'm the point guard. Oh my god, bro.
Let's
you
go.
Sold, on God. Fucking shit. No, you sold, nigga.
Hop off my nuts, little bitch.
Shut up,
Shut the fuck up.
Bitch.
You can't shoot.
Shut up, bitch.
That's what I thought.
What are you doing? Oh my fucking god.
He said, what are you doing? He's frustrated.
Give me that bitch. Oh my god. Your bomb, bitch. Fuck you, Flight. You're fucking dumbass, bro. Holy shit. Fuck you, Flight.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Hop off my fucking nuts, little bitch. Read me the fucking score. Make the shot.
Fuck you, Flight. Shit. Fuck you, Flight. You just sold my shit.
Why y'all jumping?
Dumbass long
Why y'all jumping?
And
one.
Fuck up, you bomb bitch. I'm not a fuck up, you bomb bitch. I'm here, bitch. Unblock me on Twitter.
No, bitch, so you won't be able to find me when I stream.
You're blocked, nigga. Fuck you, damn, you have a long leg, bitch.
One at a time, ladies.
Mario's fucking shit. But this fucking dumbass nigga with the Memphis fucking jump shoot fucking sold me. Holy fucking shit. Oh my. The game warming up for shit from Mike. Good shit, bro. Get up, you long neck, bitch. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you.
Guys are horrible like always, man. Another day, another W. Thanks for 5K.
You ain't doing shit. Lock. Fuck you, Flight. Lock.
Bye.
Oh my
Bye.
God.
Thanks for 5K. Damn. Leveling up to the window.
the fuck out of you, nigga. Fuck you, fried.
Bye-bye.
That fucking put it up, dude. The fucking asshole. Fuck you, nigga. Food games are better.
GG's another good on the team. Bye-bye. You guys are horrible, bro. Another day, another L, bro. Give it up. Give it up. You still haven't stopped talking, bro. Holy fuck. It was like there's a certain point, like, damn, bro, you still talking?
Why you miss me, bitch? You miss me, fuck me? I'm back, right? I'm fucking back, fuck you. You miss me, bitch? You miss me, fuck me? Yo, Flight. Yo, Flight. I'll smack your fucking neck in half, pussy. I'll fucking...
One at a fucking time.
I'll beat the way you shorty you, Flight. I'll fucking smack your neck in half, pussy. Yes, sir. Yo, it's good, back, baby. You're playing, bro. You miss me, bro?
You are gonna talk one at a time?
Yo, I said you miss me, bro.
FTC!
Pussy.
You so inspirational, Fly. I love you, bro.
Best YouTuber.
Appreciate it, bro. Is that a... I never heard of it. It's good.
You miss me, Flight. I've been tuning you forever, bro. I could probably play
this
pussy, bro.
I could've waited.
I'll keep you really steady, bitch. I'll fucking jump you, bro.
You're not doing shit but asking for a photo like usual, bro.
Smack your fucking neck and
You're not doing shit. That's off. Very late that is.
Shut the fuck up. You're my bitch.
Corner like a prostitute. Irish green.
Now you're at 8K views. It's going down every day, bro.
It's no more than you will ever pull in your life, buddy.
Shut the fuck up, buddy. Shut the fuck up.
Score a fucking point, bro. You waited an hour, bro. I know you've been waiting to play. How was that Thanksgiving break? You had to turn that project? You got shoved in a locker right back into school? Yeah, you did.
I was outside, buddy. YouTubers, shut the fuck up.
My man.
Right now, bro.
Yo, can y'all like talk one at a fucking time, you fucking school dress? Shut the fuck up. Fuck! You're not doing shit but asking for a fucking picture, you menace to society, bitch.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up. You're my favorite fucking bastard, bro. Let's go.
Look, you can't left right no more.
Shut the fuck up. You're my favorite YouTuber. W mindset.
Yo, Fly, I love you, bro.
I appreciate the support, bro. You're gonna be successful one day, bro. Keep grinding. These other two dudes on your team, bro, you need to stay away from them, bro. They're bums. They're gonna be asking you for change in a couple of years.
I'll put you in a fucking headlock and take a picture with you, bro. Fucking pussy.
Bro, you're 5'5", bro.
Nah, I'm not, bro. You're my favorite YouTuber. Oh, God, you're my favorite YouTuber. This guy flex Mike's ass, bro. 4 years. I love you, bro.
Hey, bro, I appreciate the support, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
The fuck up. Shot clock violation. You thought that counted?
Shut up, bitch. I'm getting a win today.
Flight.
Irish green.
Green.
Too
What's
easy.
up, Flight?
Alright, let me lock in real quick. Yo, Flight, come by me, bro. Fucking pussy.
Watch out for my ears, bro.
Yep.
One back again, Flight.
I'll fucking grab that neck and snap it.
Yo, like Steph broke mindset. Why do y'all even pull up? Your record is like
Shut the fuck up.
negative.
Shut the fuck up. No, pussy.
I watched the video last night at 11 o'clock.
Hey, bro, I appreciate it, bro.
Have a fallback?
Yo, Flight, you play Fall Guys after?
Shit, it might. I know there's a new season and shit.
Nah, I'm asking you, bitch. I'll fucking pull up.
You have a fallback?
Pussy.
The fuck up, bitch.
Yo,
I'll
chat.
fucking grab that neck and snap it in half, bro.
Dang, bro.
Hey, bro, I'm sorry, y'all. It's hard to hear him. We got a super talking. You won't shut up. You got shoved in the locker today on Friday, bro. You don't know that. You don't do what you want, bitch. Bro, you walked into class at 7:30 a.m., bro, and some dude knocked all your books down on the fucking ground, and you didn't do a damn thing about it, bro. Some dude took your chicken tenders off your tray today, and you didn't do shit, bro.
I love you, dog.
Mario.
Bro, you ain't, bro. I feel like that was true, bro. Cause you ain't say shit.
Shut the fuck up.
Holy fuck.
Shut the
What's up that one, huh? Snaggy.
Snaggy,
shit,
I know
that's
you can shoot, bro.
Oh my god, bro. Right, bro. Yo, you can really show you, but I'll fucking jump you, bro. I'm actually good for real. Fucking snap that neck in half, bro.
Oh, you're 5'5", give it up.
No, I'm not, bitch. I'm 5'6".
Hey, GG's all the boys in the team. Step bro mindset. Change your fucking gamer tag. You're trash. Stop taking Mario's name, bro. You shoot 2 of 5. You shoot 10% every time we play. Give it up.
Shut the fuck up. I'll come back around. You're my favorite YouTuber on everything.
Hey, man, I appreciate the support, y'all boys. Y'all are amazing.
Watch what happens. Shut up. I know I'm amazing, bitch. You fucking suck, bro. Fucking pussy, bro. You're the best YouTuber. Look at this guy, 8 points.
Appreciate it, y'all boys. Mean a lot. Step bro mindset. Give it up.
Shut up. You don't tell me what to do, bro. This guy fucking sucks. FTC,
yes sir. Hey man, y'all boys are W's, man. Good comment on that. Yeah, W right there. Steph bro mindset's losing it.